Good morning, everyone. I would like to talk about my routine. My daily routine as a worker begins with waking up early.
I prepare myself and go to work on time. At work, I complete my duties, communicate with others, and learn new skills. After work, I return home and spend time with my family. I have dinner and sometimes review my work or prepare plans for tomorrow. Before sleeping, I relax by reading or listening to music. A good routine helps me become more productive. Good morning, everyone. I would like to talk about my routine. During holidays, my daily routine is more relaxed. I usually wake up later than normal and enjoy breakfast with my family. I spend time doing activities I like, such as reading. I like playing games or watching movies. Sometimes I visit friends or travel to interesting places. I also help my family with housework. In the evening, I relax and prepare for the next day. Holidays give me time to rest and enjoy life. Good morning, everyone. I would like to talk about my routine. My daily routine helps me stay healthy. I wake up early and drink water before starting my activities. I eat a healthy breakfast and do some exercise in the morning. During the day, I study or work carefully and take short breaks. I eat balanced meals and avoid too much unhealthy food. In the evening, I walk or relax with my family. Good morning, everyone. I would like to talk about my routine. My daily routine as a student is simple and organized. I wake up early in the morning and prepare for school. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast with my family. I go to school and study different subjects with my teachers. I go to bed early to prepare for the next day. After school, I come home, take a rest, and do my homework. In the evening, I spend time reading books or watching TV.
Hello, everyone. I would like to talk about my mother. My mother is a wonderful person in my life. She is kind, loving, and always cares for our family.
She works hard every day to support and help us. My mother teaches me good manners, honesty, and respect.
She always gives me advice when I have problems. I love spending time with her and helping her at home.
My mother is my role model, and I am very thankful for everything she does for me. She is the best mother in the world.